Yeah, greetings. Happy New Year to every one of us. I welcome you all for this beautiful New Year, and this is a year of difference. I want to let you know that this year will just enter. Everybody will be having their own New Year resolution. But my question is for you. The resolution you have last year should not be the same. The resolution you have this New Year. So let us make a resolution that will be different from what we have last year, and at the same time not just making a resolution of New Year. As you just usher into this 2025 New Year, what I have for you is try to make what I call a difference, what I call mutantis mutandis. That is to say there must be a difference. You must make some changes. If you can apply this a Latin word, mutantis mutandis, there must be a necessary change. So this year you have to make a necessary change so that things will be getting better. If actually that's what I call you can actually have what I call a career shift. This year you can make a career shift, so you can able to achieve your resolution this year. So I welcome you all for this beautiful New Year. 2025 is going to be a better one for every one of us. My people will always bring something good for us. So I'm wishing you good for this New Year, and I pray that God will continue to bless each and every one of us. God will help us, give us some ideas that will help us, the ideas that will make us to improve in whatever we are doing, in our callings, in our businesses, and whatever we are doing. I pray that this New Year is going to be a better one for us. So I wish you all a very wonderful New Year. 2025 is going to be a better one for you. It's going to be a better one for me. It's going to be a better one for every families and every those who come across this video. So I welcome you. I pray that this New Year will be a blessing to you. It can only be a blessing if you can help us to share this video, so that people also will receive the blessings of my wishes. So I believe whenever I make wishes, it comes to pass. And this year I'm declaring by the authority of the name of Jesus that this year is going to be a better one for you. So every resolution you are going to make, it's going to come to pass, and God will make it to come to pass, and you'll be blessed this year. That is my prayer for you, all my fans who are watching it over the diasporas over the world. As you see this video, this year will be a better one for you. And I pray once again that this year is going to be a good tidings to every one of us. So I wish you a very wonderful New Year. God bless you wherever you're watching. God bless you. You have a nice day, and watch the next video I'm going to bring. So please, before you skip the video, please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, try to share, and it says at the same time try to follow my page. Thank you, and God bless you. See you next